Good morning, everyone. Well, this is probably the second video of the day because I'm going to trigger this one for about an hour after the first one for tomorrow, which is Tuesday. And I wanted to throw this out there. As you know, in the video that came out earlier today, you can do local accounts with Windows 11. It's been said time and time again that you can't. I'm going to show you it can on a fresh install on hardware. This is a laptop. Now, you've probably seen me do it as an upgrade on the other video. So I upgraded Windows 10 to a Windows 11 computer and it preserved the local account. So let me find that video real quick and I will play it.
Right, so here we are.
Let me pause it and back it up. Bring it over. Now this is the laptop that I did the upgrade for. It took me forever to get the Windows 11 to actually install on the physical hardware, simply because Microsoft, for whatever reason. But here it is.
Right, so here we are.
Ta-da!
I wanted to show this.
That is Windows 11 installed fresh.
Here it is. I had
on
to connect the laptop to the Wi-Fi to get the updates and downloads.
It helps if I'm not talking over it.
Right, so here we are. I wanted to show this out there to the world again. So here it is. I had to connect the laptop to the Wi-Fi to get the updates and downloads. Agree to the license terms. And then it says, let's add a Microsoft account. This is where they're going to try and force you to create one. You do not have to, even on a laptop. Usually, my recommendation for the laptops is if you can use an Ethernet cord, by all means. However, if you can't, when you get to this point, you look for that button right there, airplane mode. Or you look for a toggle or a switch or a key combination to turn off your Wi-Fi, because then that gives you the back arrow, which allows you to create a local account. Nice, huh? So let's do owner, and we'll go forward. Ta-da! There you go, local account on Windows 11. So again, I'm not sure how people are having a problem with this, but maybe they don't know that you can turn off your Wi-Fi, or you pull the Ethernet cord. But yeah, that's how you do it.
So there you go. You can put Windows 11 on hardware and create a local account. Remember, I've said this for years, especially with Windows 11 coming out and Microsoft saying that Microsoft accounts were required for Home Edition. There's proof that as of right now, you can still use local accounts. So just to put that out there, at the moment, you still can, with Windows 11, do local accounts. Now, that's not to say that this will not change by the time it's actually released to the public in October. But as I showed in the previous video, if your computer already has a local account and it upgrades to Windows 11, it will preserve that local account. So yeah, local accounts are still good. Now, also in the video previous to this one, you saw that there was a comment that if your processor is basically dated before 2017, it will not work. I've now tried that on several different computers, desktops and laptops that are 2016 or older. Will not install. Can't upgrade it. Can't install it. So they're going to hold true to that one. Although I'm hoping Microsoft gets around to saying, yeah, there's just way too many computers in the world. We need to really expand that, because there are still some really good computers out there. Example is that Dell that I was working on. That's an Intel Core 2 quad-core processor. There is no justification for it not to allow Windows 11 to run on it. None whatsoever. The other one is the TPN 2.0 module. Again, You can buy those. They're relatively inexpensive if your motherboard will allow you to put it in there. If not, then hopefully the manufacturers will include a BIOS update, although I'm not hopeful for that. But yeah, I would say if it's a quad-core processor, let it go through, for God's sakes. But yeah, that's my video. I wanted to show you that you can, on physical hardware, install a local account on your machine. So just throwing it out there. Again, this may change by the time October comes around and Microsoft releases it to the general population and starts pushing it out on updates. But yeah, there you go. Windows 11 with local accounts. It is possible. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You know all that stuff. Our service area, phone number, You know the routine.